We are pleased to show you the 2016 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.